Congratulations on choosing Teams and welcome. We're sure you're eager to get Teams up and running in your business, and that is great. There's a serious side to Teams, and that is how you set up and implement it to meet your business needs. There's a set of steps you must follow so that your implementation can be simple and flow smoothly so as to avoid losing time going back over things and also to protect the data going into the system. From the setup stage to the go live stage is known as the implementation stage, and there are 6 steps within this stage that include Step 1, big picture videos. Step 2, implementation questionnaires. Step 3, implementation checklist. Step 4, foundation data. Step 5, current data and final settings. Step 6, Teams training. And go live. Step 1, review of the big picture videos. In these videos, you'll get an overview of the different sections of Teams from a department level. For example, the departments that we will discuss in these videos and what Teams can do are marketing. This is where you'll be shown an overview of the marketing areas in Teams, including the marketing flow and how you can monitor and track your marketing performance. Administration. This is where you'll be shown an overview of the administration areas in Teams, including the student and enrollment centres, processing enrollments and doing general administration tasks for your students and their enrollments. Academics. This is where you'll be shown an overview of the academic structures in Teams and how you can monitor and track your students' assessments and final results. Attendance. This is where you'll be shown an overview of the timetable and attendance areas in Teams, including timetable creation, allocation and marking attendance, and following through with monitoring attendance. Finance. This is where you'll be shown an overview of the financial areas in Teams. Step 2, completion of the implementation questionnaires. There will be a minimum of 2 questionnaires that you will need to complete. The first one is the implementation questionnaire general, which all colleges must complete. And the second one will be based on the type of college that you are. The types of colleges include CRICOS colleges. Then you would complete the implementation questionnaire of CRICOS. AVET Miss Domestic colleges, you would then complete the implementation questionnaire AVET Miss Domestic. For domestic colleges, the only section of relevance in this questionnaire is in relation to employers. Both CRICOS and AVET Miss Domestic. You would then complete all of the questionnaires. These questionnaires help both you and support training staff at Software Dreams understand what areas of Teams you wish to use and allow you to then identify in the implementation checklist what is required to be set up. Step 3, creation of your implementation checklist. Based on the answers in your implementation questionnaires, you'll be able to download this checklist and identify what is required and what isn't, and then from there know what sequence things need to be set up in your Teams site. A support staff member can assist you with the checklist where needed and answer any questions you may have. Step 4, foundation data. This is where you build your site with all the required data for your current data to then be imported. Foundation data includes your fees, courses or qualifications, modules and competencies, subjects, agents, employers, classrooms, teachers, and so on. This is critical because how you set up your foundation data determines how Teams will behave and how it will use your data. Step 5, current data. This is the final step before your staff are trained in the processes in Teams. This is where your current data from your existing database or Excel spreadsheets is imported or manually entered into Teams. Current data includes students and their enrollments, student attendance, student results, proposal data, and financial data. Again, how you bring this data into Teams will determine how Teams behaves and how it will use your data. Warning, if you have corrupt data in your existing database and you just import it into Teams, exactly as it is, then it will still be corrupt data. As much as you may be in a hurry or keen to get Teams up and running as quickly as you can, it is highly recommended that you take the time to clean up your data as you are entering it either directly into the data entry screens in Teams or in the import files. Step 6, Teams training. This is the stage where your staff will be trained in Teams based on the departments they work in. We recommend that a minimum of 2 staff members be trained in all areas of Teams that your business will be using. These Teams representatives will be responsible for maintaining data in Teams and also the first point of contact for your staff when they have problems or questions, and also for support staff to contact in relation to Teams updates, etc. Go live. Once you've completed each of the above steps, you will be considered a live client. What does this mean? A live client means that you are entering data and using Teams to fulfill your business needs. The level of Teams use is completely up to you. Our recommendation of what you should be doing at the time of going live in Teams is as follows. Creating prospects and proposals so that you can issue letter of offers or track ACT notifications and issue acceptance letters to students. Tracking the marketing flow from a prospect and a proposal to a student and an enrollment. Raising student invoices and receipts, and where applicable, refunds and transfers. Entering student results. Where applicable, doing timetabling, printing class rolls, and marking attendance. Have a good understanding of the above processes and how to complete them in Teams. Being able to generate relevant reports for all of the above areas. Understanding any data maintenance requirements for Teams. If you have chosen to do all of the above but do not start all of these due to issues within your business, you are still considered a live client. Now it is time for you to start your implementation process. Remember, support and implementation staff can be contacted on 1300 850585 or via support@softwaredreams.com.au. Good luck, and once again, welcome to Teams.